Good afternoon. Our group is going to present the collaborative work of the conversation class. There we will first develop the introduction, then in the body we will see the definition, type of plagiarism, an example to later focus on the collaborative work, and finally we will finish with the conclusion. So, here we go. Introduction. Plagiarism is defined as the improper use of the people's ideas or work. This problem represents one of the great ethical challenges in the academic field. On the question is, how can we about plagiarism? On the other hand, collaborative work becomes an essential tool for knowledge to develop and also present us with important challenge when it comes to define responsibilities. However, we are present with the following question. What extent the emergence of digital tools allow us to develop collaborative work, especially because the internet shows us the form of all the people who have shared their ideas, so it is important to consider the originality and ethics of the people. Next, we will see the body plagiarism in the academic community. Definition of plagiarism. Plagiarism is using another person's work, ideas, or work as if they were your own without explicitly crediting where the information comes from. We must all avoid and combat plagiarism because it is equivalent to refusing to think for ourselves, because that is an attitude that delay the progress of the knowledge of humanity, because it is the very essence of the university work, and because it is deeply unmoral. Types of plagiarism. They are five types of plagiarism, but I will only mention them for the sake of time. The first is complete plagiarism. The second is partial plagiarism. The third is minimalist plagiarism. The fourth is the citation of the original source. And finally, we have self-plagiarism. Thank you very much for listening to me. I leave you with my partner.
Hello, teacher. I'm going to talk about an example of plagiarism. In 2007, John Walsh of Montana presented the final paper of his master's degree at the United States Army War College. But like 2/3 of this thesis on Middle East politics was copied from other sources without due credit. It is possible that Wash referenced these sources on the footnotes, but he didn't use the quotation marks for direct quotations. This academic dishonesty led the U.S. Army War College to revoke Wash's master's degree. The scandal had a huge negative impact on his political career, eventually forcing him to withdraw for his re-election campaign in August 2014. But also, I am going to talk about what happened when do that, for example, development and sanction of plagiarisms. Remember that the unified regulation of disciplinary process categorizes offense into minor, serious, and very serious. And depending of the magnitude of this offense, the sanction you could receive will be established. For example, in the example that I give you, I think that the sanction was very serious because he plagiarism all his thesis. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Melgar Camargo Ingrid. Continuing, we will talk about collaborative work. This is an approach in which a group of people work together to achieve a common goal. Sharing skills, knowledge and resources, cooperation, open communication, and compromise are essential, encouraging creativity, innovation, and team problem solving. This type of work is commonly used in work environments, academic environments, and projects that require various skills. Now we will talk about the importance of collaborative work to achieve common objectives efficiently, as it encourages creativity, innovation, and cooperation, enhances communication and social skills within the team, optimizing the use of resources and time by distributing tasks according to the strengths of each member. The achievement of objectives is accelerate, increasing commitment and motivation. In addition, it strengthens interpersonal relationships and facilitates the creation of support networks for future projects. The diversity of skills and perspectives among team members improves the ability to adapt to challenge, strengthens collective performance.
Now we're talking about the conclusion. This conclusion is about explaining. We must all about the conveyed explaining because it is equivalent to refuse to things for ourselves because that is an attitude that develops the progress of humanity's conloaders because with this, the very essence of university work is needed and because it is deeply immoral. About the recommendation, we do the answer. How to about displaying? In in these questions, we said always take data from the source from the which the information is obtained. See the paragraph or paragraphs directly from the original and prose the authority and short through a citation or biography reference. Paragraph the author's original work and prose authority through and quote or biography reference. About the conclusions, in this case, the collaborative work. In the collaborative work between the students, not only enrich the learning progress, but also nurture essential skills for the social and academic life, promoting their understanding, great participation, and comprehensive development of students. And we do the question, how to do good collaborative work? And the recommendation is not be afraid to make a mistake, encourage two-way communication, centralize your communication, work to create a good work environment, promotes confidence and confidence of workers. And finally, define the function because it's more important in this case to for the student. Now, that's all. Thank you for listening me today.